Hello everyone, Steve here from Total Fitness Tribe. I'm here with fellow coach Luke. Today I'm going to ask you one question. Are you in pain and do you want to lose weight? If the answer is yes, we're going to show you how, and it's all about the hips. The hips are the most important area in the body when it comes to exercise and staying injury free. So, a couple of signs that you may have to work on your hip mobility. First one, nice and simple, is the ability to squat down past parallel or sit down past parallel without any discomfort. So as Luke demonstrates here, that is parallel. If you struggle to get down lower than that, you may want to work on your mobility. Now ideally, Luke's going to demonstrate now, a nice deep squat. This is ideally where we would have you at. Excellent. So, the inability to sit down past parallel also, it can manifest itself in lower back pain, knee pain, shooting pains down the legs, stuff like that. Nice, simple, easy fix. We've got a few stretches for you and a couple of exercises which will have you up and running in no time. Right guys, so for now we're going to demonstrate the first movement that can help you feel better. You can perform this at any time during the day. So Luke's going to demonstrate here for us. All he's going to do is get down into a lunge position, but with the back knee on the floor. Now if you're doing it on a hard ground, just be careful, get something just like a cushion to rest on, yeah? So Luke is going to take a nice long stance with his back knee on the ground, and as you can see, nice upright upper body. Now all Luke is going to do is he's going to push forward through the hips and through the knee, and that's going to open up the back hip at the top of the thigh. Now Luke, what I want you to do is you're going to hold it for 10 seconds, then you're going to increase the range. So if you just push forward a little bit further through the front knee, and he's going to hold for a further 20 seconds, totaling 30 seconds. Once that 30 seconds is up, Luke's just going to switch sides to make sure that he hits each side equally. So on. So after 10 seconds, like I said, you just increase the range a little bit, push forward a little bit further, hold for a further 20 seconds. And that's that done. Right guys, second movement that's going to help you feel better. What we're going to do is first of all have you sitting down, and we're going to do a little test first to make sure that this is movement that you need. So sitting nice and upright, all Luke's going to do is he's going to take one foot off the floor, and he's going to rest the ankle on the other leg, so it's just above the knee as so. Now what you'll find is if you do need this movement, this leg will not be able to go below 45 degrees, so around about there. If that's the case and you feel a little bit of discomfort around about the hips, then this is definitely a movement that we need to be doing. So, to do this, to loosen it off, all Luke's going to do is he's going to rest first his right arm just on that right knee there, yeah, just to anchor it into position. And all he's going to do, keeping the back nice and straight, is lean forward towards as if he's trying to touch his chest to his foot. Good stuff. Once there, you find it a little bit of discomfort, not too much. You're just going to hold for 10 seconds, then relax a bit, then you increase. So lean a bit further forward, there we are, and hold for a further 20. So that's totaling 30 seconds. Once that's done, he's going to relax and just perform it on the other side, and done. Right guys, third movement to help you feel better is for the hamstrings or the back of the upper leg. Yep, Luke's going to demo here for us. So all Luke's going to do is keeping one leg completely straight. He's going to take it up off the floor, lift it as high as he can. Then he's going to take the arms and grasp it just behind the knee if he can. Now all he's going to do is pull it towards his chest, but making sure to keep that leg completely straight and keeping the other leg flat on the ground. So you should feel a pull in the back of the upper leg. So he's going to hold that for 10 seconds. Again, you'll feel it ease off. Then he's just going to increase it, so just pull it slightly further in, just slightly. Then he's going to hold for a further 20 seconds. Once that's done, all he's going to do is relax his leg and obviously repeat 30 seconds on the other side. Hold for 10, increase. Hold for 20. Okay guys, fourth and final movement to help you feeling better is when we're practicing a low squat hold. Now what we're going to use is one of our squat racks here, but you can use anything you've got around the house, something like your banister or a door frame, anything that you can basically hold onto and take your weight. So Luke's going to demonstrate here. All he's going to do is clinging onto the squat rack, he's going to make it take its weight first. So he's going to put his feet just underneath his hips with his toes pointing slightly out. All he's going to do is he's going to start by moving the hips back over, and he's going to sit down, bending at the knees, and he's going to slightly lower himself down. Now at first you may only be able to get to parallel, so you start feeling a little bit tightness, a little bit discomfort. I just want you to stop there. Now he's going to keep his upper body nice and straight, and he's going to hold it there for about 30 seconds to 60 seconds, yeah? So what I recommend is just starting at about this position. When you've hit your 30 seconds, your 60 seconds, all you're going to do is going to stand up, you're going to relax, you're going to shake off the legs, give yourself about 30 seconds rest, then you're going to go back into it and try and just sink that little bit lower. Eventually, you'll be able to get all the way down, supporting your weight Holding it there for about 60 seconds just to get you used to being in this position.